Welcome back to Mac with me, Meg, and my husband, Will. I decided to bring this handsome fella along for the ride because
we bought a house!
We grew up in this town, we lived in New York City for 15 years, and now we moved back to our hometown of Alexandria, Virginia, the DC area, which is a wonderful, beautiful place to live and grow up. However, it also happens to be one of the most competitive real estate markets in the country.
We had a couple very smart strategies that we used to give us a leg up. The most important thing is looking for potential in a home.
Everyone's going to be looking at the place that looks all perfect and is move-in ready to go right now. But if you can see the potential, if you can see what a place that has good bones, great features, and yeah, it might take a lot of, blood, sweat, and tears, but if you can just see the potential, that can often be an entry into a real estate market that you otherwise might not be able to afford. So that's what we were looking at when we came into this place.
Yeah.
Potential.
And getting a place with potential also just allows you more opportunity to put your personal touch on the home instead of moving into something that's brand new, modern, ready, sterile.
We were literally absolutely looking for a place that maybe on the outside looked like it needed a little bit of work, because that might deter some of the other buyers who have that extra money. And maybe that would give us a leg in.
Check this out with us, guys.
So we enter the house into a foyer. Never had a foyer. Go up the stairs. And you see there's nice hardwood floor throughout the whole house.
Oh, wow.
Balcony right off.
Look at that view.
Game of Thrones chandelier. A pass-through. Like, what is this?
This is massive. This looks bigger than the pictures.
Yeah,
I
it
love
does.
these built-ins. This is awesome.
Ceilings are a good, decent height, and this balcony with the sliding door is huge. So you go into the kitchen. Oh, this is nice. This is big.
Look at all that storage.
The cabinets are in fantastic shape.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh.
Cabinets are like the most expensive part of a reno, too, so wow.
Wow. And look at... Wow.
The view out to the backyard.
This is the biggest kitchen we've ever had.
Yeah, this is fantastic. Oh, I could do a lot with this, and there's nothing that would have to be changed right away,
Oh, hello in there.
Appliances from, maybe the year I graduated, but wow.
Wow.
Look at that backyard. Okay, so now you come from the dining, living. What is this massive room? Oh my gosh,
Whoa.
knotty pine ceiling, exposed brick,
Wow.
wood panel walls.
Oh, my gosh. So then you come up, and this is the wing of the house with the bedrooms.
Bedroom wing suite. Oh, I had one of
Hello.
these bathrooms growing up. I love those tiles.
That's nice.
Lots of storage. So this would be our
So this is
bedroom.
the main bedroom.
A little smaller than ours, but huge closet. Ensuite.
Hello, ensuite.
We've never had an ensuite. Oh, how nice. I'm always stumbling and knocking around and have to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night. Wow. That
Old
looks
school medicine cabinet.
Yes. Oh, within the yellow tile. Oh, I love it. In good shape too. Decent shape for sure. Nice natural
is great.
light. Upgrade that.
Ceiling fan.
Huge closet though. That's great. My clothes wouldn't fit in there, but here's another huge bedroom.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Wow, nice light. Beautiful hardwood floors, babe. Linen closet.
Linen closet for linens.
Love storage. And then a third bedroom off the bedroom wing. Each one has a fan and windows.
And closet.
It's awesome.
And overlooks a tree house, it looks
Yeah,
like.
this is fantastic.
Oh, and you just are right on the balcony.
Oh, how cool. Okay, exiting the bedroom wing. So we're back in the foyer, great tile. And when you turn right, this
Okay, so this will be my office?
huge room.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Whoa!
You so deserve this much space, Will. You
Oh my gosh.
all your records.
I can conduct classes.
Yay.
That's us. Wow, this is phenomenal. Look, this built-in storage is mind-blowing.
This knotty pine is different than just the Bobo wood panel wall. Knotty pine is valuable. It's like back in style. People are spending a lot of money to put this in their home actually. So, and all that built-in storage is so practical.
It's the entire wall.
This is awesome. Oh my gosh. We'll do something about this carpet at some point, but for now, this looks fantastic. Great light.
Yay, light but shade. This is great.
So leave your office. Nice, again, foyer. Room for a console table. Huge closet for coats. I have way too many coats and I'm not getting rid of any of them.
I have 3.
Oh, and now this would be my office and a guest room. The carpet needs some help, definitely needs to be upgraded, but
Sure, but this is big. You got a lot of storage in the
great
closet.
space. I could put a nice pull-out couch there for guests to stay on and have plenty of room. To be able to work on a different floor that's still above ground with windows is awesome. And it's a blue bathroom off of the office guest room. How awesome. This tile's so fun, and eventually, I'm sure maybe at some point in our lives we could do a reno, but for now, I'm digging them.
I love the old school medicine cabinet.
And there is a slot for razor blades in there. Must be careful when removing very vintage medicine cabinets.
I'd never heard that before.
So at this point, we could walk through the whole house. We were really loving it. And then we came across this door.
Where does this door go? Why is there a second door behind it? Why doesn't the door open all the way? Why is there a cinder block wall directly behind? So many questions!
It's a bunker. It's a bunker.
We have a bonus bunker.
It's for survival. It's all positive. No one was tortured here. It's fine. When the world inevitably blows up, we have a place to go. You're welcome to join us.
Thanks so much for checking out our new home.
Let us know in the comments below what feature or room is your very favorite. Over the years, we will do, major paint jobs and changes and stuff like that, but for the time being, this house is so special. We want to live in it like pretty much exactly as it is, and then honestly just be open and let the house kind of communicate to us what it needs and what our lives are asking of it. It was owned by the same family since the 60s until very recently, and they did a beautiful job. So we just hope to do them proud and honor this house by taking good care of it and having our family thrive and grow in it. So thank you guys for sharing it with us, and we look so forward to doing so many fun projects together and sharing it with you.
Yeah, stay tuned for tons of fun videos
Definitely.
from some responsible homeowners.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
We are not wealthy and rich. Hi, everything's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Our dog just knocked over the light, it's fine. Okay, wow, you okay? She itched herself and then knocked it over.